Everybody, it's Slim from Lynn's Craft Designs. Ever since I did the unboxing for these Allexes mica powders, sorry, let me raise my camera just a bit. I was so intrigued by this color called Lemon Zest. I don't know why, to me it looks like iced lemon or a lemon icy. I don't know. It's so it's so different. That pearly mica color with the yellow, that is really pretty. So I thought we would try this little, it's a circle around trinket box with a little lotus on top. And I thought we would try this lemon zest with a little bit, I'm so sorry, I wipe my nose, little bit of silver holographic, it's a chunky fine mix glitter. And then I thought we'd mix it up a little bit with this. I'm sorry, y'all. I've literally had this for 20 years. And on top of that, it came from a garage sale. So I have no clue. I'm sure it must have come from Michael's back in the day. Mini party spangles. Mini party spangles. Sweet forever. I am hopeless without my glasses. I don't know why I even try. Sweet forever chambered jar. That's why I couldn't make it out. It's a chambered jar, as in it's a chambered jar. It's got these adorable, and I'm not a flower, a flower shape. I'm not a flower person. But these are so cute, and they're adorable in polymer clay. You do a rolled inclusion technique. Oh, those are so cute. These hearts also have, I don't know if y'all will be able to see it, but they also have a fine violet iridescent glitter in there as well. And then the this one is all stars, but they're gold and silver stars. And these are moons and stars, and weirdly enough they're in a pastel color, but they're also a holographic. I believe some of these are too. Anyway, and some of these are too. Some of these are too. Okay, all of them are holographic. So I'm gonna mix up my glitter. And although I know it won't take this much, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up whatever this is. I can't tell what it says. Oh wait, it says Yeah, it does. It says 80 milliliters. I can only read it because the inside is so dirty. So I'm going to mix up 80 milliliters. I feel so accomplished. And I'm going to do this round box, and I'll probably do a couple of the pocket hugs. I'll get it all together in a minute, and I'll be back. I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm going to wait 30 minutes because I want the resin to have a chance to thicken up a little bit to partially suspend the chunkier glitters. Okay? So I'm going to mix up the glitter, wait 30 minutes. I'm going to mix up the resin, wait 30 minutes, and then I'll be back with you. Okay. Uh-oh. Well, I should open this off camera first. Did I? No. Okay. Messy. Alright, I'm going to start by putting two heaped over spoons. That may be too much. We're just gonna see. Oh, that was difficult. I'm not sure why. Okay, then I'm gonna use this sorry. I completely changed my mind. I'm gonna do the little flowers and a pink opalescent glitter along with this fine glitter polyflake, which has a gold flash. I'm gonna put maybe what would have been 4 spoons. That's what I was going for. Okay, 4 of those. And then, I'm not even going to measure these. It's like the salt, you gotta... Okay. We'll go with maybe that was 4 spoonfuls. Now I'm gonna slowly start to stir. Ooh, chunky. That's gonna be pretty. I think we're gonna call it good. Now I know it sounds weird, but on the lid part, you're supposed to pour on the shiny side. Okay. So it will take actually very little to do the lid. That was bingo on the money right there. I'm gonna call that good too, because it is totally level. It's not heaping over anything. It's dead on perfect. I apologize. I hope I'm still in camera. Okay, then I've got another one of these. Okay. There we go. Wipe my stick off. Wipe my stick off. That doesn't mean wipe it right back on. Okay. I am going to put this in my resin room, and I'll demold it in the morning. Okay? I don't know how. I didn't make a mess. Okay. Here they are. Just gonna do the hearts first. Those turned out so sweet. I love those little flowers. Oh, so pretty. We'll do the bottom first. And yes, it's still a little bendy. This is quite a bit thicker a mold. Now this is again Let's Resin. That is so cute. Okay, now that is spectacular. Wow. Sorry. Oh, so sparkly. Now from the other underneath, you can see the lemon zest color a little bit better. Oh my goodness. It's perfect. And definitely not a color I would have chosen normally. But that is gorgeous. That lemon zest is just the perfect. Okay. I'll leave the links for Let's Resin, down below. I'm sorry, I can't leave the, chunky glitter. That link would be so old. Well, it probably wouldn't even be a link. Alright. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm just mesmerized. Okay. Bye for now.